right, and here it is, the Royal Kludge RK96. Really nice. Love the simplistic packaging that it comes with. And of course, we'll get into all the internals. But here on the back, again, just super simplistic, showing you where the manufacturer is. Of course, it's coming out of China, and it has everything for their website on the back, which is not much, but simple, but yet elegant. So let's go ahead and get into it. First impressions, opening it up. Super clean, has a plastic top cover shell to protect the keycaps. So gotta love the extra step of the packaging that it comes with. You do have the keyboard here. It is wrapped in its plastic sleeve, and it does have the manual right on top. Love it, you can't miss it. Right underneath, we can find the extra accessories, which this is going to be the wrist rest that it comes with, which is also magnetic. And then, of course, underneath it, we have the extra goodie bits. We have a goodie bag with some extra switches and a keycap puller and the switch puller along with the cable. And that's it. That's all you get. Of course, we'll start off with the mundane here. This is the USB cable, which, as I say mundane, it's really not. There's actually a special feature to it. So it is going to be a USB-C cable, just your standard feel to it, the plastic, but it does have a USB-A to USB-C adapter that goes on top. So that is nice. So if you have a USB-C port or a regular USB-A, you can use it. Now we do have the switches. Now these are their linear Viridian switches, which, you know, of course, once you start using fancy colors, that means they're good. But in general, you can hear the clicks here. Not too bad. Again, they sound really dampened. They sound a little nice. These are pre-lubed, by the way. That's one of the biggest selling points about them, is not only are they fancy, they're special, but they're also pre-lubed. Now I have a kind of run-of-the-mill keycap puller and switch puller. Nothing too crazy there. And now we get to see the wrist rest. It's not padded. It is plastic. It is hard. But it does help elevate your wrists for longer typing sessions. And again, it's magnetic, so you can just pull it away if you don't want it at a specific time. So we'll get into it here. We do have the keyboard itself, and of course, that user manual.